So this is a recipe for a successful business.
A great student mentality.
A ton of effort.
A pint of passion.
A driven mindset.
A fistful of focus.
A strong character.
10 cups of consistency.
An ounce of growth.
A quart of creativity.
A dash of development.
A winning attitude.
A basket of basics.
A gallon of fun.
A curtain of caring.
And a touch of inspiration.
Set that timer.